Sunday morning here in Huntington. On our way to LTMX. Finna go shred. Catch you boys there. Just lay his Ranger down. So we got the usual 2 Honda load up on the old Ranger. You know the deal. Let's get there, boys. Boy into Sammy. Slaya Pierce. We got Filoni out here at the Emirates. The usual dude. Slaya Pierce. We're out here. LT, you know the deal. 333, almost 999 like Juice Roll. That's alright though, you're not that cool.
I thought
you're not dead yet.
Yeah.
Like Nick Thomasounas.
Might be dead today.
Dude, might be dead day after this one. Hopefully I don't. Fresh unit out here. Take her easy on that one, eh?
Flo doesn't know how to ride. Oh, this shit's really zoomed up. First time from Filoni. He's giving it his best shot. Let's see if he gets hit. No, doesn't get hit. Fuck guy won't get off the track. I don't know what to do about him. So, bombing 90, 92 or 93 today at LT. Track was soupy as hell to begin with, but it's getting better. The ruts weren't forming, it was just a mud mess. Now I'm waiting on Dildo to get a shot of him looking slow as hell. No, I'm kidding, he actually looks really good on the 22. Alrighty, later skater.
Squad out here. Over the berm. Dude! Down hard. Homie down. Who's coming out? We got Bryce coming in hard. Get these down! Oh! Oh! Live action update! You fucking suck!
I know!
Dude, you ripped the one though. That was fucking fast.
Alright,
get her again, get her again, get her again.
Yeah, that's going in the video.
Yeah, that's going in the video for sure.
That's 101 on how to overdump a shot jump. Jesus Priest, I can't fucking talk for shit.
Friends give friends rides. That's all there is to it.
That's fun.
Oh shit!
Thoughts from a porta pot and motocross. Taking a shit in moto gear sucks. Dylan's slow as fuck. Fuck that guy. Mid-moto poos always slap. So yeah, there's your thoughts from a porta pot. Hope to see you next time.
Shit. It does.
God damn it. Alright, post update.
Post day, LT.
Well, fuck, go off, Dylan.
Nothing new for Isaiah. You guys know the deal. Something new for me. Brand new bike at the sand track. Easily conquered that shit. That sand track had nothing for me on the 23. You guys know the deal. Savage rider as usual. Slay up, you know, I've seen better out of him.
Bullshit. I was ripping the day.
You were fucking ripping. The one clip I got of you looked good.
But yeah, good day. It was hot, but motos were good. Arm pump was low.
Yeah, honestly, after the first session.
And yeah, it was just a fun ass day. So until next time there, Boob 2.
Always zoomed in.
Oh, yep, I fucked up. Alright, what up, school boys? In case no one sees this, we all love you. We're going into the eye of the storm. Apparently it's hail and 60 to 70 miles per hour winds.
Are you being real right now?
Yeah, 100%.
Shit.
First time Dillo found this out. I've been eyeing the storm on the forecast.
I haven't been eyeing shit. I just found out this is about to be awesome.
We got about, what, 45 minutes?
Oh shit! I gotta get fucked. That's a big ass bitch.
That was a big ass bitch.
That bitch is big as fuck.
But yeah, we got about 45 minutes left till I get back to my house, and then...
And right now we're chasing right behind the storm.
Yeah, we're literally chasing the storm. Like, we're going into it.
Alright, at the current moment, phone says it, I have the AF on it. We are under a tornado warning where we're at right now. This is fucking thrilling. Don't like my brand new dirt bike and my Ranger being in it right now, but I don't think we should stop.
We're literally as close as home, like 20 minutes home.
And
at
it's
least for me.
getting worse.
And now the tornado sirens are going off, so that's real cool. So yeah, might get you some tornado content.
Let's go, dude. Think of how badass the video's gonna be if a tornado hits. Fucking, dude, a tornado, but we back to the dirt. That's another one. What would it be? I rode into a tornado.
We rode a tornado.
I rode a tornado across the plains of Texas. Fuck.
Not Texas. We just rode a tornado. We just rode a tornado. Dylan's a fucking idiot.
Dude, we're about to ride a fucking tornado. My whole life, I've always wanted to be in a tornado, I swear. I've always wanted to chase tornadoes. It needs charged. I know, I'm sorry. I've been slack on the YouTube game. It's my fault.
Alright, anyways, once again, peace and butt grease. We'll catch you later.
I don't care if literally I was as pissed drunk, I'd still say I hate you.
You're a retard.
No, cut.
Floating is a pussy.
Ball Strauss. Ball Strauss.
Alright,
Got some action. Alright,
what's up, boys?
the school boys out here.
And I need to get her something.
Hey, Dylan. Dylan. What? Who's gonna pull me out of this?
Loney?
Razor.
The gerbil loving wear when in hell, boy. I'll grab your butt cheeks and pull out my willy, stir your asshole like a hot bowl of chili. I'm Hank Steele, the real queer cowboy. The gerbil loving wear when in hell, boy. I'll grab your butt cheeks and pull out my willy, stir your asshole like a hot bowl of chili. I'm Hank Steele.